Alright, good day to you all. We want to work on tax 14A to F, then tax. We are working on two different chapters, document production. I don't want us to spend more time on styles, so as I'm just trying to combine the two together. Alright, let's start. Tax 14A, we should open the document you saved at tax 13H. Alright, I opened mine. Then we should create store and use the following styles in this document. So these are the styles for our header, for our footer. Then we have to use font style serif. Serif, we have serif, we have sans serif. If you are talking about serif, we are talking about the likes of the Time New Romans. If you're talking about sans serif, you're talking about the likes of the area. In your starter activity, you have to find out more. Alright, so let's start about our tax 13H. So for the header, serif, size 10 points, alignment to page margins, then enhancement bold. So let's go to our header now. Select your header. It's in your home tab. So you have to make it cell should be bold. You can have 10 new romans. You can cell to make it to be 10 points. I'm following the instructions there. Serif, 10 points to page margins and bold. That is all about that. Then for the footer too. So go to our footer, select all your footer too, 10 units, 10 points, and bold. That is all. It should be within the page measure, which you are following. So you go to your file, save as. I'm saving mine on the desktop. So click on save. That's all about 14A. Let's go to 14B. We should open our 14A, yes. Add the winter wonderland as a new main heading at the start of the document. Winter wonderland or wool. So that's a winter wonderland. Okay. Then we are going to create store and use the following styles in this document. So that's already typed. We can divide our screen so we can have the two screens working together. So our heading, that's this our heading, winter weather wool, should be sans serif. Let's have it to be area. You can use any sans serif font, 24 fonts. Yes, then it should be aligned to the right. These are alignments. Then it should be bold. Select. It should have single line spacing. That's 1.0, which is there. Then spacing before, spacing after. You go to your page layout. Spacing before, spacing after is in your page layout. And you can have it done under your paragraph too. When you go to in your home tab paragraph, this pointer, you click on it, you can have everything done there. Alright, so winter order, so then the spacing after should be 6 points. So let's go to spacing after 6 points and click OK. That's all about the now one. Then subheading. It should also be sans serif. Let's use the same area. Then we should make it 16 points. It should be centralized. Come here. Okay, it's alignment left. I want it to be centered. I hope I'm communicating. Then you click OK, or you can do it from here to centralized. Then underlined, you click on underline. The next one is you should be single spacing. You can check it from here, it's single. Spacing before, spacing after. You can do that here, spacing before, spacing after, make it 6 points. That's all about that. Let's go for the second subheading too. In the body of the text now, this is the body. Calculate this side. Okay, to make it serif. Serif, you have like family romans, you have Georgia. This you can use any serif. It should be 11 points. It should be left aligned. There's no enhancement, single line spacing, spacing before, spacing after. So spacing after cannot be, we can change this from 0 point to 11 points. And click OK. This is where we have 11 points. Do that for all the body. Now that we're done editing all the body, then you can now go to the file and see it as 14. 14C now. If you open 14B, change all the subheading styles to have a dark blue font with a yellow highlighted background. Subheading 1, dark blue font. You can change the color font here. Look for dark blue, a yellow background, under text and light color. Background. This is for the subheadings. And go to your files and save. This is how your 14C should look like. Please note, the moment you have anything contrary, you need to work on it. For this class, we'll be working on 14D and E. So we'll go to 14F. 14F, if you open 14C, add the content to add it. So you open the file at right, copy all the content, then you have to paste it. Let's check where I've pasted it. Before the paragraph, I start the picture. So I'm pasting it here. What's the next question now? You want to use these styles for everything there. So since I've copied and pasted, we need to change the body of that text to. Let's check. We change it to what we have in 14B. Let's see 14B. Body of the text is serif. Can be 10 humans, can be Georgia. 11 points left. Okay, let's do that now. So now let's move to our 14F. You change the way the body of 14B is, as the one you change in that paragraph. You select all this from here, then you change it to the font name of 14B, the font size of 14B, the alignment, the line spacing, the spacing after, spacing before. So back to our 14F. We want to work on lists. So list level 1, serif, level 2, serif. Let's work on list level. How do you get about it? This will be replacing yourself. So what you do is you go to your document. You can pick anywhere there. You go to your styles. So of Microsoft Office is when you have it, it will tell you to create a new style. But for those of us that are using from 2010 now, you can click on this arrow here. Pick any list here. Let's assume I want to, let me just pick list here and I'll say modify. So what do you want to call it? Let's call it N1. What style do you want to use? You can leave that as your own paragraph. Now, we will now work on, let's check for the font name. We have to make the font space to be serif. So we're using Times New Roman for our font name. So you can see font name, Times New Roman, 11 points out of the font size. Then the indent should be 1 centimeter. It should be a numbered list, single. So let's come back here. We come to format. For paragraph, check spacing after 0, spacing before 0, line spacing are told to be single. For indent, make it 1 centimeter. Now following what we have here, left indent, list type, so that's all about this space. We click OK, then we have to number it, so make it to be number. So you can choose any one. So we are picking this, we click OK and click OK. That is all about that one. You will come here, you will see list L1. It is there already. So when you need it, you just pick it. Let's assume I need it here now. For the first one, you click on it, it will work. For this two, it will work. For this also, it will work. That is all about that level 1. Then for level 2, okay, still 11.0. So this our index is 2 centimeters, then the list type should be bullets. So you can still come back and click. Let's look for another list here. Let's say modify. Let's call it L2. Still Times Romans 11 points. So what we have here under paragraph, we pick line spacing of it to be single, spacing before spacing after should be 0. For indent now, left, you have to make it 2. Please, you can type the figures or make it 2. So that's all about that tab. Then we are told to make the numbering to be bullets. So we are not going for numbering, we go for bullets and make it to be arrow. That's the instruction. So we click OK. Never have all about that. We click OK too. So where we need it under this list, you pick this. Call it our L2. Pick your L2. So that's all about our 14F.